Good morning, dear student, class 9th. Today I will start your news topic commonly used operating system. In this chapter we are discussing about different type of operating system, and now we are used going to start new topic commonly used operating system. Operating system is a system software. We all of know very well that, and it perform all activity of our computer. Nowadays there are graphical user interface GUI based GUI and CUI. Students, we all of know very well that there are two type of operating system, and earlier time it is used character user interface CUI, and nowadays it is mostly used GUI graphical user interface operating system. What is the basic difference between two type of operating system? Character user interface CUI is a character based or command based operating system, and there was need of learn more and more command to operate the system, and it is difficult to user for learning more commands. For the other hand, graphical user interface GUI are used to graphically, and it is very user friendly software. Nowadays mostly operating system are based on the GUI operating system. In the previous topic we already has learned about graphical user interface. Now we will learn about some commonly used operating system. With help of the GUI, nowadays GUI based operating system are very popular, as we know that, and we are seeing lot of example graphical based operating system, because they provide user friendly interface environment through the GUI based operating system. A user can easily perform various computing tasks by using the symbol and commands, symbol and mouse, and there is no need of learn command. Some popular operating system can be described as follow, as like Windows operating system. Windows operating system is a very user friendly operating system, and it is very popular nowadays, and most of the versions are available on the Windows. The term Windows collectively represent all the Microsoft operating system products. Over the year Microsoft it has released various versions of Windows OS, such as Windows 95. In the very starting it is used Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista is a version of the Windows, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Most of these versions are based on the enhancement affected on the GUI of the previous version. ये सभी graphical user interface version हैं, and that are very user friendly operating system and easy to learn and understand. Next we will discuss about the Unix. Unix is an operating system, and it is a very popular and very useful operating system, and mostly it is used in industrial area for working of the many more work. Unix was first developed in 1969 by the Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie and other of the AT&T group of Aswell Laboratories. It was among the first operating system to be written in high-level language. High-level language is very easy to understand by user and system. Namely C, Unix is a multi-user and multitasking operating system, which means that it allows two or more users at a time. Multi-user and multitasking operating system to execute several programs simultaneously. Unix support the several interprets and commands Moreover, Unix is portable. It is easy to carry on one platform to another platform, which means it can be implemented on the almost all hardware platforms. Next, it is the Linux. Next, Linux. Linux is an operating system and it is also based on the Unix. Linux is a Unix-based friendly distributed open source operating system. Students, open source means it can be downloaded free of cost by the net and its source code is open. इसके source code open होते हैं and we can see and change the source code and as per our requirement, अपने requirement के according हम लोग use कर सकते हैं Linux operating system को. Open source refer to program whose source code is freely available on the internet. This source code is a open modification by anyone who uses it. Linux and GUI are the three OS based on the open source code. Unix is a multi-user and multitasking operating system which was developed by the Bell Laboratory as 1969. It is purely governed by the open group which conform to the single Unix specification. This specification defines the name of the interface and behavior of all the mandatory functions such as source code as per she required without seeking permission from the creator. It only condition for using the freely available source code on the internet. It is the change made in the original source code are to be distributed over the internet. This is the difference. The Linux OS can be installed on any computer having x86 compatible microprocessor. It is depend upon microprocessor. यदि आपके पास x86 microprocessor है, you can easily install it on your computer. Next operating system we will discuss about भारत ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉल्यूशन, जिसको हम लोग बॉस बोलते हैं. बॉस ओएस, बॉस लाइनेक्स भारत ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉल्यूशन is a developed by the India and it is a very popular and very useful operating system. Nowadays it is very useful in the industrial area. An Indian version of GNU Linux, BOSS Linux, is being promoted in distributed by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, that is called a CDAC. Government of the India, like most other Linux distributed, BOSS Linux is also an open source operating system distributed under the GNU General Public License (GPL). It can be downloaded from the website www.bosslinux.in. वेबसाइट का लिंक दिया हुआ है. We can also use to download from the internet free of cost. Mac is also an OS. About Mac, we will see Mac OS. The Mac OS is a GUI based, graphical user interface based operating system developed by the Apple Incorporation. Apple Incorporation के थ्रू डेवलप हुआ है हम लोगों का Mac operating system. This was introduced for the Macintosh computer system so that Macintosh uses cloud experience, the graphical user interface, जिसपे के थ्रू हम लोग ग्राफिकली इंटरेक्ट होते हैं, and it is also user friendly software. The Mac OS was introduced in 1984 and was initially named by the System Software, which was later renamed as Mac OS. Solaris OS, Solaris operating system. It is also an operating system It is a Unix-based operating system that was originally produced by the Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem के थ्रू डेवलप किया हुआ है. Solaris is a considered as successor of the Sun operating system. Sun operating system has historical denominated and Unix mark with the growth of the internet in the earlier 1990. Solaris became the most widely used server of the website. ज़्यादातर ये सर्वर के रूप में यूज किए जाते हैं जिस तरह के ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम दैट आर यूज टू स्टोर लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट मेनी अदर यूजर एट ए टाइम. नाउ वी विल दिस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आर आल्सो यूज इन मोबाइल डिवाइस. हम लोग सोलरीज देखेंगे मोबाइल डिवाइस के लिए भी यूज होते हैं. द फॉलोइंग आर सम मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फॉर द मोबाइल डिवाइसेस. Now we will learn about some mobile operating system. कुछ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम दैट आर यूज फॉर मोबाइल. एंड्रॉयड. एंड्रॉयड का नाम सभी लोगों ने सुना हुआ है एंड आजकल के जितने भी मोबाइल आ रहे हैं मोस्टली एंड्रॉयड सेट हैं एंड एंड्रॉयड इज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फॉर द मोबाइल. Android is an open source mobile operating system first developed by the Android Incorporation. But now it is distributed by the Google. Android was designed for touch screen mobile device like tablet and smartphone. However, nowadays Android is used in various devices और other devices में use हो रहे हैं such as Android TV, Android Auto and Android Wear. It can also run on the Linux kernel. A user can open mobile app simultaneously on the Android devices. Android 9.0, also known as the Pie, it is the latest version of the Android, August 2018. Windows Phone. Windows Phone is a mobile phone operating system. It is a proprietary mobile operating system developed by the Microsoft in 2010. The Mango, Windows Phone and Windows Phone 8.1 latest version of the Windows Phone OS and Windows Phone 10 which was released in the year 2015. iOS and before that Windows Phone and iOS is an operating system and it is also a mobile operating system. It is known as iPhone operating system. iOS को लोग iPhone operating system बोलते हैं and was developed in year 2007 by the Apple Incorporation. It is only used in various Apple devices, but there are some limitations. iOS is only used in Apple mobile and Apple sets devices such as iPhone, iPad, iPod, iTouch, etc. The iOS 12 is the latest version of the OS and August 2018. Students, next topic we will discuss about in next classes, and just we are discussing about different type of operating system that are frequently used nowadays. Thanks all of you.